وسيم.
Well, perfect. So do you use contact lenses along with your glasses, or it's only glasses?
I used to use contact lenses. I didn't use contact lenses for the past year, and I've been wearing contact glasses.
Okay, so basically we are going to run some tests of the eye. We are going to check your vision and the number of your eyes, and at the same time we'll do the topography of your cornea. We will come to know if you are a good candidate for laser vision correction and which technique suits you the best, okay? Okay.
RZCND.
Last line is clear. Perfect. You have a healthy eye surface. Your cornea is normal. The anterior part of the eye is normal as well, and your lens is clear. So everything is ready and okay for surgery. As you have noticed that during the surgery it was smooth. It took around 10 minutes. It's under topical anesthesia, so basically there is no injections, there is no general anesthesia, and all what we needed is to look at the light, and we finished within literally in less than 10 minutes. After the surgery, definitely there is a post-op care, including eye drops. In PRK, we usually face 1 or 2 days of pain after surgery, which usually with the aid of medication is not that severe. In PRK, usually it induces less dryness, and in his case, since we do have a dry eye, going for PRK surgery, it was safer and better than going for a LASIK with a flap. Because once we create a flap in the cornea, the dry eye will be there, and this dryness may last for a long period of time. There are many techniques. There is no one size fits all. Each patient will be suitable for one technique or more than one, and that's to be discussed with your doctor. There is one thing to mention as well, that refractive surgery is by far the safest surgery ever that has been done on a human body. So it's a very safe surgery. It's a very successful surgery. Almost the success rate is close to 100. There is nothing which is 100% in medicine, but it is very high really in refractive surgery. And it's a smooth surgery. Couple of minutes, you recover your vision, and you will not have to use glasses afterwards.
So I finally did my eye surgery at Spanish Eye Clinic with Dr. Wassim Altroudi. The experience was amazing. It was smooth, it was quick. I did realize I've been overthinking this for quite some time, and everything was done in less than 10 minutes. It does take some time to recover, apparently a few weeks, but my eyesight is even better than I was expecting, or it was better than what I wished for. I'm actually enjoying the fact that I don't have to wear glasses, so thank you.